Greetings, fellow digital explorers. Prepare for a transformative journey as we unlock the secrets to enhanced online privacy and lightning-fast connectivity with Airnet VPN. Bid adieu to sluggish connections as we embark on a quest to optimize your digital interactions. Let's dive into this immersive tutorial to unleash the full potential of your online experiences. Tutorial steps. Step 1. Embrace the digital realm. Embark on your digital odyssey by venturing into the Google Play Store to download the powerful Airnet VPN. Infuse your browsing with speed and security by installing this essential tool. Step 2. Unveil the menu wonders. As the installation completes, behold the three-line icon that reveals a menu brimming with possibilities. Explore and harness these features to enhance your browsing voyage. Step 3. Stay updated, stay ahead. Delve into the depths of the menu and select the sacred Updates option to ensure your app is primed with the latest enhancements. Stay ahead of the digital curve for an unparalleled browsing experience. Step 4. Speed at your fingertips. Immerse yourself in a realm of speed and efficiency by entrusting the app to choose the high-speed auto-select server, a beacon of optimized browsing performance. Step 5. Forge connections across lands. Expand your online horizons by selecting the coveted All-Country UDP option. Unleash a seamless browsing experience that transcends boundaries and ensures optimized connectivity. Step 6. Extend your digital stay. Inscribe more time to your online adventure with a simple tap on the Add Time button. Enhance your digital sojourn with uninterrupted browsing and enriched interactions. Step 7. Ignite your online journey. Conclude this empowering ritual by igniting the flames of secure and swift browsing with a resolute tap on the Start button. Embark on a protected and efficient online exploration with Airnet VPN. Conclusion. Congratulations on elevating your online encounters with Airnet VPN. Embrace enhanced privacy, quicker speeds, and enriched digital experiences as you navigate the virtual expanse with newfound confidence. Engage further by subscribing, liking, and commenting, and venture into our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for deeper insights and shared connections. Immerse yourself in a secure, efficient, and expedited digital journey with Airnet VPN.